Hellcat.
Welcome back to another video of Kevin Plays One. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make banana smoothie. So it is very simple and also it tastes good. So I'll show you the ingredients in 3, 2, 1. The first step that we need to do is boil this milk, and after boiling keep it aside for it to cool. So yeah, first you have to do that. Boil the milk and also I've kept it aside for it to cool. I've poured the milk in the steel jar. We poured all the ingredients in this mixer. And now the banana and also the honey. I have to put a lot of honey because you know sugar is less sweet. Sorry, sugar is more sweet, but honey is like healthier. So sugar is. I don't want to put sugar. Just that you should put a little more honey than you put the sugar. Like for example, you put some sugar. You should put more amount of honey than how much you put sugar. Okay, whatever you must understand. And now let me put fully. Me. I'll squeeze it full into this and come now. So now I put all the ingredients in this mixer. I'll mix this and come right away. Now I have mixed all the ingredients. The juice is ready, so let me pour it into the glass. For topping, you can put whatever you like. I'm putting Bonvita because I like it on top. Let me put on top. Play little because it's topping. Oops. It's okay. And on the other side, let's put some. Yeah. So you can see that it went a little over here. So for that, have an idea. I'll set it up. Okay, now I think so it's a bit better. And anyways, I hope you like that video, and I hope you like that recipe. Make sure that you subscribe to this channel with notifications on, and also don't forget to press the thumbs up button and also share and comment with others. So until next time, I can only say bye.